Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about what foods are good for us. What foods are healthy or unhealthy? The girl with the apples is healthy. The boy with the burgers is unhealthy. These are healthy foods: bananas, apples, carrots, chicken, and eggs. These foods are good for us. These are unhealthy foods: burgers, French fries, candy, cookies, and cake. These foods are bad for us. Are these foods healthy or unhealthy? Bananas are healthy. Apples are healthy. Cake is unhealthy. Carrots are healthy. Cookies are unhealthy. Now you know what foods are good for us and bad for us.